In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your N8n account. If you're considering removing your account, it's usually because you might not be using N8n anymore, or perhaps you're trying to manage your online footprint more thoroughly. Whatever your reason, I'll guide you through the process clearly and simply. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the official N8n website. This is quite straightforward. Just type N8n.io into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once the website loads, keep an eye out for the Sign In option. It is usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Click on it to begin the login process. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Go ahead and access your N8n account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll need to head to the Admin panel. This is your main control hub within N8n, where you can manage all aspects of your account and workflow settings. When you have accessed the Admin panel, the dashboard should be visible to you now. This is an important step because here you'll find the option you're looking for. Search for and select the Cancel Subscription button or a similar option available. This might vary slightly depending on your account setup. However, locating the option to cancel your subscription should help you move towards account deletion. Now, if you find yourself on a free trial, here's the good news. You don't need to take any manual steps to cancel it. The free trial is designed to expire automatically once your trial period ends. Subsequently, all your associated data will be deleted without you needing to do anything further. In case you need to delete your entire account, or if you're facing specific concerns that aren't addressed by the available options, don't worry. You still have a way forward. You can reach out to the N8n support team directly. They're accessible through their website, or you can seek help via their community forum. Typically, contacting support will provide you with the assistance needed to ensure your account is deleted or concerns are addressed appropriately. And that's it. These steps should help you navigate the process of deleting your N8n account with ease. If you run into any issues or have more questions during this process, don't hesitate to reach out via their support channels for additional guidance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, please like and subscribe for more helpful content.